Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Right now, we are Friday, December 20th of 2024, and what I want to do is give you guys a quick crypto update. Specifically, I want to get into why Cardano is sitting where it's at and where I think it's going to be going in the future. So if you guys can so kindly, smash the like button, comment, subscribe, and remember that you're listening to a loose moose. So nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk. Keep that in mind. So what we've seen recently was a pretty significant pullback. So Bitcoin probably pulled back. What was it, to like 90K ish? So we'll show you here in a second. But ultimately, a lot of the alts took a major hit recently. So we're starting to get things back up. And what we're seeing is a little bit of retracement from the all-time highs. So you had Fed announcements, etc. But this is very common in a bull run. So it's my opinion that we are not going to go bearish for very long. We may continue to pull back a little bit, but I believe that it was a great buying opportunity. So if we take a look on the week, let's see where we were at. Yeah, we were over $1. $1.10 pulled all the way down to around 77 cents USD. Now we're back up a little bit. So I like to think that we did bottom. Again, we could pull back a little bit more, but I just think that there's so much bullish momentum. So if we take a look here, last all-time highs, we peaked around 280. Let's say all-time highs was more like $2. A lot of people think it was like $3, but it wasn't there for that long, right? So I tend to view it as, we were around $2, $2.50, $3. We were there for like a second, right? Like maybe you're walking down the street and Margot Robbie looked at you for a second. Who cares? It doesn't mean anything. It's not even real, right? So guys, I believe that this is another good buying opportunity. We have smart contracts, midnight. Charles is talking about even more added integrations with Bitcoin. So comment down below, where do you guys think we're going? I believe that maybe the end of this December, and I talked about this, I said that we are probably not going to see all-time highs until maybe February, March. So that's what I'm aiming for. So similar to what we've already seen with Bitcoin, let's take a look here. Now, Bitcoin is still doing well, but it did have a little bit of a pullback. So for you newcomers, this is nothing. So 106, roughly all-time highs. Let's call it 108. Massive pullback to 92,000. People are freaking out, selling their bags. Just getting out of the market, especially if you just bought in at the all-time highs. That's what happens. All right, but I believe that there's just so much bullish momentum, and Bitcoin dominance is still high. So alts are not going to run until this dominance is like 40%. So right now, if you take a look at the entire crypto market cap, the dominance of Bitcoin and especially Ethereum, it's like 70%, right? So if we do a little bit of moose math, that's around 70%, good enough for the moose. All right, so on a real note though, Bitcoin, I think it's going to struggle a little bit over the next couple weeks to get higher. But I think alts are primed to go. I think alts are ready to lift off, if you will, okay? So same with Solana. I actually picked up some Solana because if you take a look here, from the all-time highs as of recent, I wonder if that was 252. Yeah, Solana's been having a good year. But Solana took a huge hit down, I would say from the 230 mark. So Solana, when it has its next leg up, I feel like I'm going to do well with that. So you guys comment down below. What do you think? I'm not as bullish with Solana long term, but this cycle for sure. If you want to get exposure to memes, you set up the Phantom wallet, you load it up, you're ready to go, you're rocking and rolling. So look at Bonk. Look at so many other tokens. Look at what happened with Pudgy Penguins. By the way, if you guys got an airdrop, amazing. I got like $160 worth, and then I just got rid of it right away. So that was cool. So if you guys have had a lot of activity with your Phantom wallet, that's one route you can go. So no reason to panic. I think we will be getting to all-time highs with Cardano, roughly $3 by March, February, March, somewhere around there. That's what I'm thinking. If it happens earlier, sweet. But by no means necessary do I think you should be panicking. It's just been another massive opportunity. So guys, right now, head over to the link tree. You guys can save 10% off any Tangent wallet only if you use code Moose. I like this limited edition. Start shipping in December. So if you guys want, pick up a Tangent ring. Comes with the card set as well for backups. And you can pick up a 2-card set for $50. On top of that, you can get loose on some online courses. We got a free Cardano mini course, bunch of others. So with that being said, guys, the Moose is loose. Comment down below, and I have another video coming out soon as well. Cheers.